Best Dual Sport Motorcycles 2025, Moto Guzzi V85 TT. In 2025, the Moto Guzzi V85 TT continues to shine as one of the top dual sport motorcycles, known for its blend of rugged capability, classic Italian design, and modern technology. The V85 TT stands out in the dual sport category for riders who demand a versatile bike that excels both on and off the road. The 2025 Moto Guzzi V85 TT is powered by an 853 cubic centimeters transverse V-twin engine that delivers a smooth and powerful ride. This engine offers impressive torque and a distinctively engaging performance, making it well-suited for challenging off-road conditions and long-distance touring alike. For 2025, Moto Guzzi has refined the engine to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions while preserving the unique character and performance of the V85 TT. A key feature of the V85 TT is its advanced suspension system. The bike is equipped with fully adjustable 41mm front forks and a rear monoshock that provides a comfortable and controlled ride across various terrains. With its 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel, the V85 TT is well equipped to handle off-road adventures while maintaining stability and comfort on paved roads. The 2025 model also includes a range of modern electronics designed to enhance the riding experience. These features include traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes, all managed via a new 7-inch TFT display. This display provides real-time information on bike performance, navigation, and smartphone connectivity, ensuring that riders stay connected and informed throughout their journey. Designed for comfort and practicality, the V85 TT features an adjustable windscreen, a comfortable seat, and high handlebars that support an upright riding position. Its rugged design includes protective crash bars and skid plates, providing additional durability and protection during off-road excursions. With its combination of classic design, advanced technology, and robust performance, the Moto Guzzi V85 TT remains a top choice in the 2025 dual sport motorcycle market. It offers a compelling package for riders seeking a bike that delivers both style and capability, ready to tackle a wide range of adventures with confidence and flair.